Hi everyone, Jacqueline here. Welcome to the channel if you're new. I had planned on this video of doing fall decor, but you know what? I can't bring myself to do it. We're having a beautiful fall here in Saskatchewan. We had a couple days of rain and my containers on the front step are amazing. So I'm gonna have to wait until after that frost because there is no room in any of these containers to do any sort of fall decor. They are full and lush. Look at that color. That rain made a huge difference in how these containers are doing. They just came back to life. I thought I was going to be pulling them. No way. And they're just beautiful. So I'm just going to pinch this stem back and just share with you all the color going on in these. Now it's the curb appeal that is key here with these containers. This is my front step. And I went wild with my color this year. And you can see here, they have rewarded me with taking a chance and mixing stuff together. I particularly like this mix of the magenta petunia with this one. These are a go-to for next year again. Now, I would say that the potato vine, they've seen better days. They're a bit ragged from being eaten, but they still look good. If we get into here, you can see this petunia container I can remove, but this one is coming back to life again. All the snapdragons are blooming. We had 3 shoots appear on the canna lily, and the coleus finally went for it. And look at this. I can barely get up the steps. This container is so full. These are some happy plants. And I just wanted to share that with you. Even the pansy has decided to come out and shine in the heat. So it's really, really pretty right now. So no, I can't do it. I just can't. This isn't a color arrangement that I would repeat again next year. In fact, do more of it in the garden because it's so darn beautiful. Now let me share with you the window boxes. I have not fertilized these plants for at least 6 weeks. I cut back on the watering even because I figured I was going to be pulling them. But the rain, and then Rob gave them a quick soak one day, and they've just took off. Look at the coleus, the height it's got on it. It's already halfway up the window, and they were bad this year. My coleus were not good. I put them out too soon. They took frost, and they took a hit with the wind, but they've perked right up. And you can see here some of the colors we're seeing in this arrangement. So I am going to keep going with these because they are just so beautiful. And I think I'm going to take cuttings of this vine, which is a house plant, and put it inside and root it in some water. Now this has been a really great vine for the garden. It doesn't seem to be bothered by pests. Even if we look at the back side of the leaves, it's still looking beautiful and really nice shoots. I like the foliage contrast with the coleus, and I love it with the petunias. It's stunning, but look at these. Even the purple wave petunias, which I thought were finished, you can see here they were dying back, have put on another set of buds with this heat. And so they're in bloom again. So technically, if I wanted to, I could pick them back and, I shouldn't say pick them, I could pinch them back and get another set of blooms. The problem is we have 3 nights of cold weather coming and potential for frost on at least 2. So this might be the end of them. So that's another reason why I want to share these window boxes with you. I have to say, I'm a proud mama of these boxes because they have just impressed. These color combinations are gorgeous. You can see the 2 here, how beautiful they look together. And I definitely would plant more of this in the mix. I also like the touch of silver, but really, coleus. Wow, nice way to come on in the fall, in the heat. Let's look at the other box. This window box over here is just popping. Just ignore my dirty windows. We're gonna clean them one more time before winter, 2 more times. But this arrangement is just popping. It is beautiful. Definitely more houseplants for vines in the containers and more of the hot colors in the mix with the beautiful magentas that are just, look at how glorious they are in the sun. And that orange is just popping in those petunias. And we're getting some really good height. On this one, the coleus isn't as strong as the other one, but it's still there. But the wave petunia over here, mixed with the orange and the yellow, has popped. So this one, for some reason, the wave petunia has done better. This is the denim wave petunia, and you can see the mix of color that's going on here with it. Beautiful. So changes I would make to these plants. Number one, more vines. I would do way more of this vine in here, and I think it would be gorgeous. Number two, more houseplants in this arrangement for height. I mean, the coleus is great, but I think some colorful croton plants or something like that would be beautiful in the back for color and height. Don't you agree? Because quite honestly, they could carry you into fall if you protect your plants for a few weeks. Now, can I bring myself to pull these arrangements apart in these window boxes? No, I can't. I can't do it, you guys, and you can let me know in the comments what you think. But, I mean, let's enjoy this hot, vibrant colors while we can in this beautiful, hot prairie weather. So, I will be doing some decor yet, but we got to take the frost first, and then I'll be willing to pull these. But I might actually cover them and see if I can get a couple more weeks out of them, just because they have done so well this year. So I just wanted to share with you an update on my boxes and what's happening here and all the colors going on and how they have not given up yet. And I'm just going to keep them going a bit longer. But I just had to share this. These have been amazing, and I'm grateful for the success with these arrangements. Let me know in the comments how your window boxes and curb appeal is going. Have you pulled all your petunias yet or not? Thanks everyone. See you in the next video.